Strengthen yourself before, during, and after taking an exam. The difficulties many people experience during exams can often be linked to various memories that bring up specific traumas, limitations, punishments, and negative past experiences related to test taking. If you have an upcoming exam, I suggest you listen to this strengthening exercise daily. The most critical aspect is maintaining emotional balance, as overflowing and unstable emotions can obstruct your memory or significantly decrease your success rate. We will boost your midline, central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, tailbone, and tail, strong enough to tense and relax before, during, and after the exam. We will enhance the interaction of all these parts in all possible combinations, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with a fixed duration. We will erase thoughts, visualizations, and assumptions that cause stress, fear, and anxiety before an exam. We're going to remove the mind from the central nervous system and from each of the 5 brains. We're sending this mind with all its cumulative effect to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe, and other unknown places. We're going to erase all the debilitating memories from your early childhood and adolescence when it comes to taking exams. We erase punishments, nerves, doubts, stress, fatigue, fear, and all kinds of negative experiences. We erase the energy of all the bad results you've gotten from taking exams in this and all your lives. We erase the debilitating energy that comes from your ancestors. We erase the debilitating energy that comes from the good results you've gotten on exams, but through sacrifice, sleeplessness, and energy expenditure. We erase the misinformation, perception, and interpretation that effort, exhaustion, and lots of time are necessary to have a good result. Strive to achieve good results by being attentive, present, and aware before, during, and after your learning, before, during, and after your exam. We erase performance anxiety. We erase fear of failure and all previous experiences in which you interpreted that you failed. We erase the feeling of not being enough, of not being prepared. We erase the fear of not meeting your own or others' expectations that cause significant anxiety. We erase the cumulative effect of self-criticism. We erase self-exerted pressure. We erase the tendency toward perfectionism. We erase the misinformation, perception, and interpretation that your worth is based on your results, or that an undesirable result detracts from your value as a human being. Strong to feel peace, tranquility, and confidence before, during, and after your exam. Strong to prepare adequately, sufficiently, and with time, not for the exam, but to truly permanently acquire that knowledge. Strong to want, desire, and need to remember the knowledge for the benefit of your daily experiences. We're going to eliminate the belief that you have a bad memory, or that you don't understand, or that you don't have the ability, or that you don't retain information. To be human beings 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong and neutral in the face of external expectations, those of your parents, teachers, friends, or partner. Strong to fulfill them and not to fulfill them. Strong to know that you've given your best, and if the result doesn't favor you, that doesn't affect your emotions. Strong to trust yourself. Strong to know that you have the ability to overcome any challenges that life throws at you. Strong to demonstrate this during your exam. Strong to accept, admit, and recognize that an exam is not a problem. It is a circumstance that must be addressed in a committed, efficient, and calm way. And planning. We erase the cumulative effect of insufficient sleep and lack of rest that has affected your memory and concentration. Be strong in getting enough sleep and rest before the exam. Be strong to accept, admit, and recognize that staying up the night before an exam is not a good strategy because your brain is not in an optimal condition to retain information. Be strong in nourishing yourself properly. Be strong to accept, admit, and recognize that the nutrients you intake before the exam will greatly determine your nervousness. Be strong to leave behind sugars and refined carbs which merely increase anxiety and nervousness. We are going to separate the exam from other problems you might have with health, finances, family, relationships, or other circumstances that weaken you. We erase the weaknesses each of them brings and their combination to zero, negative, infinity, 100% of the time with finite time. Be strong in managing your time. Strong for managing and making time work before, during, and after the exam. We're going to erase the feeling, impulse, and response to answer in a hurry. We eliminate rush, anxiety, and nervousness from your microbody to your macrobody. We're going to separate you from all the collective that takes exams that feels weak for a good result. And I'm going to level you with all the collective that is going to take exams and feel strong to obtain a good result. May you be centered, balanced, and stable with this collective. We're going to eliminate the debilitating energy that comes from physical space, that comes from other people who have been there before, that comes from memories of the place, that comes from energetic trash, energetic larvae, and entities of any dimension or veliform. And we're going to send everything to other universes, existences, dimensions, time and space, dark matter and dark energy, black holes and wormholes to the universe and other unknown places. Let's separate your emotions, sensations, and reactions from those of others, others with yours, and yours from each other. We erase the weaknesses of each one and the combination of them to zero, minus, infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to get an excellent grade or a lousy grade. Strong for a good mediocre rating or a high rating. Strong to pass, not to pass, to fail, not to fail. Be loud in the face of noises, interruptions, and other distractions that make it difficult to concentrate. Loud in the face of every noise, interruption, and distraction so that you elevate your attention, your presence, and your awareness. Strong for physical self-care, sleeping well, eating well, and exercising to move your energy before the exam. Strong so that in this way you arrive in the optimal and appropriate conditions for the best possible performance. Strong to carefully read instructions and questions before answering. Strong to respond with neutrality, stability, and emotional trust. We're going to eliminate the mind from the exam, the result, the questions, the answers, every person present, and every object you touch before, during, and after the exam. And we send this mind with its cumulative effect to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black and wormholes of the universe, and other unknown places. We strengthen your internal and external dynamics, internal and external boundaries and vertices, and that of each geometry to 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase all weaknesses to zero, minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, your mind, and your spirit. How are you feeling? The same or different?